Honorable Court of the Corocoro Judicial Circuit with the Honorable Mark Bungalon is now presented. Do you solemnly swear that the testimony you are about to give is true, the whole truth, nothing but the
Objection, Your Honor. The question is not about one of these things. Here's hard.
Ayan po pinagagawa nila pagka ano.
Jack, Basir, Shir. Uy, magagawa ka dyan. Kaya mo over ka ba? Wala, di ba?
Ano ba yung game?
Ikaw na video.
Basta
Ay, tahanan, Trish, ano ka ba? Uy! Kita ka na eh. Okay, kita ko lang putos ng video.
Asaan yam? Asaan? Butas. Saan?
Yung niya? Ikaw sana aking iyakap-iyakap. Yan pa rin. Ang iyong kamay ay aking daling hawak.
bakit ngayon lang?
Ito na lang. Alam mo sa
Pilit pinubuksan ang laging puso.
O sige, akin. Pero masang
Wala ba't namatay?
Next song is requested by Mayor Lim. Saan yung proxy?
Sinaksak, hindi naman pinindot yung on. Paano to handa?
Pasensya na po. Ngayon alam ko na, ba't di mo muna ang lapis? This Honorable Court of the Corocoro Judicial Circuit with the Honorable Mark Bungalon is on the session. Alright.
Alright.
Dishonorable Court of the Korokoro Justical
Yeah, pero bawal!
Siya yung tumawa.
Do you solemnly swear?
Because it's in our policy that every time they take the exam,
Look at me.
they have to surrender.
Look at me now.
About how long was Kenneth gone from your class?
About 5 minutes.
How far is it your class to the guidance office?
Down 2 flights of stairs.
When Kenneth returned to the class, did you notice anything unusual happen?
Yes, we start bleeding.
Go!
Grabe talaga yan. Grabe.
I didn't forget. Why were you? Is that the truth?
Sir, Tio, wala nang mangyayari sa'yo kung sasabihin mo ito to.
But sir, naloko lang ako pero hindi ko magagawa yun. Bibigyan ko din naman si Diyos.
Okay.
Na!
Pero let's wait for the
Ah, wait.
result
Huwag mo
na
na ako ng slippers.
Kung na bumalik yung mga friends mo, tell the truth. I will show you something.
Tama!
Hindi po po ako sa legs ko. Dito ako.
Lapit talaga yan si Kenneth. Sige.
Sir, can I talk to you for a minute?
What is it?
Sir. Sir, can I talk to you for a minute? Believe me, I didn't forget. Why were you? Tell the truth.
Sir, Tio, kung sasabihin mo yung totoo, wala nang mangyayari.
But sir, maloko lang ako pero hindi ko magagawa. Okay lang ko din naman si Diyos.
Okay, let's wait for the result na lang. If you want pa bumalik yung mga friends mo, it's either tell the truth or sorry mo na yung send. Tara guys, sa daan.
Yeah. Nakawa kay Kenneth, sir.
Me neither. Kung may solusyon tayo, tutulungan natin siya.
Wait lang, kung hindi napatunayan siya ang nao, therefore, innocent siya, diba? Nakawa kay Kenneth, sir.
Me neither. Kung makakahanap lang tayo ng solusyon, matutulungan natin siya.
Wait, kung hindi napatunayan siya ang nagnakaw, therefore, innocent siya, diba?
That's right, Paul.
Uy, tingnan pusa.
Oo nga no!
Ano? Di ba bad influence yan?
Nakawa kay Kenneth.
Walang sir.
Nakawa kay Kenneth, sir.
Me neither.
Kung makakahanap lang tayo ng solusyon, matutulungan natin siya.
Wait, kung hindi napatunayan siya yung nagnakaw, therefore, innocent siya, diba?
That's right, Paul.
May pusa, oh.
Oo nga no!
Ano? Itim siya.
Bakit nasa taas?
Nakawa talaga kay Kenneth, sir.
Me neither.
Kung makakahanap lang ba?
Nakawa talaga kay Kenneth, sir.
Me neither.
Kung makakahanap lang tayo ng solusyon, matutulungan natin siya.
Wait, kung hindi napatunayan siya ang nagnakaw,
Ano ba? Walas kayo. Nakadungaw yun.
paano ka ma-discover niyan?
Oo nga.
Good morning, ma'am. Here are the papers.
We are.
Good morning, ma'am. Here are the papers.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Here are the papers. Here are... ma'am. Here are the papers.
Oh, we are.
Here.
Here are
Here are the papers.
Ano lang daw, nakalimutan niya.
Come in. Oh, good afternoon, Miss Gamay. Good afternoon, Miss President. What can I do?
May aso po nakapasok.
Come in. Oh, good afternoon. What can I do for you? Good afternoon, Miss Gamay and Mr. Ramos. Have a seat. Thank you.
It's just a concern about James De Los Santos' cellphone.
What about him?
Nanggaling kasi ako sa
Tapos tong kaso na to, nakakahiya sa judge, nagsampa pa tayo ng kaso. Eh, misunderstanding lang naman pala lahat. Oo, misunderstanding lang.
Timi ka kasi. Puro ngiti ka rin eh. Puro ngiti rin siya.
Hindi ko na nga ginugulo eh.
Nung nangawagin yung perde yung mat ko.
You do not disturb.
12:20
Ulit,
Kaging na. Alam ko kung marami pang...
Usap kay James eh.
Ulit pa na natin.
Ay,
snowman, tara na.
Hello, James? Yes, this Attorney Garcia. Andito sila Mr. Ramos and Attorney Gamay. And may concern sila sa akin. Alam mo ba na na-misplace lang talaga yung cellphone mo sa guidance office? Hindi. So, ito na nga, sinasabi nila sa akin at pinakita nila sa akin yung cellphone mo at yung headset daw na nakita sa CR, eh, katulad lang ng cellphone, ay nung headset.
Ako pa tinuro, kaya na tumata.
Rice. Ni Mark eh.
Lahat ng pipigil. Ikaw dito, hindi ka mataba.
Tingin lang.
Please sit down. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury.
Sisisina naman ako.
Ano ba yan? Oh. Ayun na.
I'm that flight that you get on. International. First class seat on my lap, girl. Riding comfortable. Cause I know what that girl them need. Get jazzy on. I'm that flight that you get on. International. First class seat on my lap, girl. Riding comfortable. Cause I know what that girl them need.